to 5 devices simultaneously. Alright, choose open and then press OK. Click on allow, so press OK here and hit the back button. Okay guys, so we are now here at the main page of PopcornTime. So let's go ahead and check out the menu. The great thing about this application is that they fully optimize the remote control functionality. So say for instance you press the menu button from your remote, which is the one that has 3 stripes or 3 dashes just on the right hand side of the home button. So if you push that button, it gives you the menu. This is the first time I've seen it used on an application or APK. You wouldn't see this functionality anywhere else or in any other application that I have showcased here on my channel. So let's go ahead and check out the menus here. So we have a search function, of course. It's already pre-configured. So if I choose quality here, so what it's doing is that it will just scrape the internet, the videos or movies that has 360p up to 1080p quality. So that will guarantee you that it will only show you high definition streams. The only concern that I have is that PopcornTime uses torrents. So you want to make sure you are using a VPN. Definitely check out the VPN that I provided you and make sure you enable it before you stream anything here in this application. So let's go ahead and try to watch a movie here, for example. So I'll choose this one. So let's go ahead and press play. And as you can see, it's buffering right now. So it takes about 3 to 5 minutes, guys, but it's all worth it. I'd rather go through this rather than having issues while watching the video. Alright, there we go, guys. So it's working. Let's go back here to the main page and press the menu button from your remote. This time we're going to try to watch a TV show. So from the main menu, hit the right key from the D-pad. It'll highlight TV shows right on top. You want to press OK there and pick a particular TV show here. So I'm going to choose this one. To select a season, you want to press the up key twice and pick the season here, either left or right. So it'll highlight the play button. However, if you want to watch a particular episode, so you want to hit the up key and move to the right hand side and select the episode that you want to watch. So let's go ahead and press OK here, for example. And now it's highlighted at the play button again, so all we got to do is hit the play button by pressing OK from our remote control. Let's give it about a minute again here. Alright, so it's working. Alright guys, another thing that I want to point out is if you can't find the APK or the app that you just installed on your main menu, here's what we need to do. Press the home button from your remote control for about 3 seconds. Press OK on apps. And hit the left key from your remote. So for example, you want to put PopcornTime at the top of the list. So you want to push the menu button from your remote or the options button. And then from the list over here, you want to press down and select move to front. So press OK here. So as you'd notice, PopcornTime is now the top one here on the list. So if I press the home button, it'll be on your recent. It'll be the first one under your apps and channels. So I hope you enjoyed watching this one. Please remember to drop a like, comment, and share this video, guys. Subscribe to the channel and enable the notification bell so you get notified whenever I have new uploads.